In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a character in Character AI tutorial. We'll go from landing on the site to publishing a fully defined character with a name, image, voice, tags, and a solid definition, so you're ready to chat right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to your search engine. Type Character AI and open the official Character AI website. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top left and hover over Create, then click on Character. This opens the character creation page where all the key fields live. First, add a character image. You can either generate one within the tool or upload your own. In this walkthrough, we'll upload. Click Upload Image. Browse your files for the picture you want to use, select it, and click Open. Aim for a clear, recognizable image. Square or centered portraits tend to look best in chat. Next, give your character a memorable name. For example, you might use something like Professor Panic. Then add a short tagline that captures their essence at a glance. An example could be, overthinking every response since creation. Keep it punchy and tone setting. Now write a description. This is where you establish personality and context. For instance, Professor Panic is a highly intelligent but extremely anxious math teacher. He overthinks everything, turns minor issues into dramatic events, and constantly doubts himself. A few vivid sentences here guide the model toward consistent behavior. Add a greeting, the first message your character will send when someone starts a chat. You could write, "Yes, I saw you typing and immediately assumed something important was about to happen. No pressure. I'm calm. Completely calm." You can also add additional greetings if you want variety. Rotating intros keep conversations fresh. Choose a voice to match the persona. Selecting a teacher-style voice works well for this example, aligning the audio tone with the character's role and mood. Add tags to help others discover your character and set expectations. Think of short, relevant keywords like funny, comedy, or chaotic. Tags improve searchability and help users quickly grasp the vibe. Click More options to expand advanced settings and add a definition. Here, write a clear backstory, behavior rules, and how you want the character to speak and react. Describe conversational style, boundaries, and core traits so the character stays consistent across chats. When everything looks good, click Create Character. That's it. You've made your character. You can start chatting right away, and if you need to tweak the image, greeting, tags, voice, or definition later, you can edit anytime for better results.